Horses sleep while standing. Birds do not urinate. Cows sleep while standing. The bat is the only mammal capable of flight. Its leg bones are so thin that it cannot walk. Even when a snake's eyes are closed, it can still see through its eyelids. Despite their fluffy white fur, polar bears actually have black skin. The average housefly lives only 2 to 3 weeks. A small amount of alcohol on a scorpion will drive it insane and cause it to sting itself to death. Alligators and sharks can live up to 100 years. Sharks are immune to every disease, including cancer. A honeybee has 2 stomachs, one for honey and one for food. Elephants weigh less than the tongue of a blue whale. A blue whale's heart is the size of a car. Blue whales are the largest creatures to ever roam the earth. A cockroach can survive for about a week without its head, before dying of starvation. When a dolphin is sick or injured, its cries of distress prompt other dolphins to assist, helping its surface to breathe. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years. The fastest bird, the spine-tailed swift, can fly at the speed of up to 106 miles per hour. The peregrine falcon is even faster at 390 kilometers per hour or 108 miles per hour. A cow produces nearly 200,000 glasses of milk in her lifetime. The leech has 32 brains. The average outdoor cat lives only 3 years, while indoor-only cats can live 16 years or even longer. A mosquito's proboscis has 47 sharp edges to help it cut through skin and even protective clothing. The human brain has a memory capacity of over 2.5 million petabytes, equivalent to 2,500,500 gigabytes.
Hello, kapwa-tao.